Today, we're diving into the microscopic world, unlocking the secrets hidden all around us.
Believe it or not, about 250 red blood cells could fit right there. To see them, you need a microscope.
Let's start with the classic light microscope. It's simple, right? It just shines light right through a sample.
Okay, but before you see anything cool, you've got to prepare a good slide. Here's how you do it with an onion. And here's a great tip. Lower the cover slip at an angle. It gets rid of all those annoying air bubbles.
This is a big one. Always start on low power. You'll find what you're looking for way easier and you won't break the slide.
So what can you see? The big stuff, like the cell's nucleus and its tiny power plants, the mitochondria.
But what about the really small stuff? The little machines inside the cell? A light microscope has its limits.
Light microscopes max out at about 1,500 times magnification. To go deeper, we need a whole new approach.
So, say hello to the electron microscope. It uses electrons instead of light for some seriously high-res images.
And just look at this comparison. We're jumping from 1,500x to over 1,000,000 times magnification. It's huge.
Okay, so there are two main types. TEM is like an X-ray showing the inside. SEM shows the 3D surface. With this much power, we can finally see things like ribosomes, the ER, even tiny viruses, a total game changer.
Right, no matter what scope you're using, some skills and safety tips are absolutely essential. Let's cover them.
When you're drawing what you see, it's not about being an artist. It's about being clear, accurate, and simple.
So how do you actually measure something microscopic? With a graticule. It's basically a tiny ruler in the eyepiece.
And of course, safety first. Always be careful with sharp tools, wear gloves for stains, and handle chemicals correctly.
Getting a blurry image? It's a common problem. Try adjusting the fine focus or just make your sample a bit thinner.
So how do you pick the right scope? It really just depends on what you're trying to see. Living cells or tiny details.
We've gone from seeing the first cells to seeing actual atoms. It makes you wonder, what's next? What will we see tomorrow?